If you want to increase your events match quality, this video is for you, because in this tutorial I will show how you can create external ID parameter in your GTM container. So as you know that external ID parameter is also recommended from Meta to increase your event match quality, but this is always absent in your data layer. So now I will show how you can create this from scratch. So basically, if you are having or running server side tracking, then you should have a cookie, GA cookie. So basically this is my website, and if I inspect my website and application, and here you can see under cookie section there is GA cookie. So basically I need to collect this cookie, and from here I need to remove some digit, that's it. So now the tag manager, and in variables, first we need to create that cookie parameter. So here new, and we need to choose first party cookie, and here we need to copy this and now paste it here. Now give this name like GA cookie, and now save. Okay, so now we need to create our external ID parameter. So for this we need to choose custom JavaScript, and now here we need to write some code, which is function to first bracket to second bracket. Now here return. Now we need to add that first party cookie, GA cookie, this one. Okay, now dot slice, 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 first bracket opening, first bracket close, and now a semicolon. Okay, and now here we need to put numbers. So now here you can see we want to get rid of this digits. So now we will count how many digits we have: 1, 2, 3. You also need to include this dot also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digit I need to exclude from this GA cookie. So here I need to put 6. Okay, and now give this name like external ID. The external ID is an unique ID, and GA cookie is also unique ID. So that's why we are creating this from GA cookie, external ID. Now save. Okay, now we need to check this. So here in preview, okay, so select any event, it doesn't matter. And now if we click variables, and now we need to find our external ID parameter. You can see here external ID, external ID. So this is the method. This is very easy, and if you include this external ID inside your meta pixel tag, it will increase your events match quality.